What's good, YouTube? It's boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes sir, yes sir. Now, as you can read from the title, we're doing a Q&A today. You know what I'm saying? We're doing a Q&A. Yeah, so we're doing a Q&A. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Road to 1K, we going up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram too. I posted a Q&A the other day, and people gave me some questions that they want to get answers to. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get right into the video. So the first question: how often do you drop videos? Since recently, like since this year, I've been dropping videos like at least one video a week type shit. I've been dropping videos, at least one video a week. I'm trying to drop a video a week. That's the goal, one video a week. So yeah, but before I just be dropping like whenever I feel like it. I never really had like a plan, a set schedule or nothing like that. I just drop when I feel like it. You know what I'm saying? So, but now I'm trying to be more consistent. You know what I'm saying? Drop one video a week. All right, next question. What is your favorite type of YouTube videos to make? I'm not gonna lie, I might have to say public interviews. Cause people's reaction to certain questions and certain things, it'd be hella funny. Like it'd be funny, especially in spring break. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go with public interviews. I think I'm gonna go with public interviews. All right, next question. What's the most challenging part about maintaining a YouTube channel? See, I was just talking about that. The most challenging part about maintaining a YouTube channel is staying consistent. Like, I'm not gonna say it's hard to stay consistent, but you know, when you got a life, you got other shit going on, it's hard to stay consistent, you know what I'm saying? But that's like, wait, what was the question again? Yeah, that's the most challenging part of managing a YouTube channel. Other than that, it's fun, really, truly. It's fun to see what ideas you come up with. It's fun to do the videos, you know what I'm saying, to get people reactions and all like that. But it's challenging to stay consistent and then come up with like new ideas too. That's another one. Do you see yourself making YouTube videos in the next 5 years? Yes, definitely. This is a thing that I'm gonna be doing probably for the rest of my life. Yeah, so definitely in the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, we should be at least 5 million subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Next 5 years type shit. So make sure I hit that subscribe button, share to your friends, like, comment, all that. All right, last question. I didn't get a lot of questions, but how long have you been doing photography and who inspired you? This is a good question. It's a good question. Let me see. I've been doing photography probably about, what are we in, 2022? Probably about 5 years now. Yeah, probably about 5 years now I've been doing photography. It's fun. I like it. You get to meet new people, new faces. You know what I'm saying? You get to find out new angles, new settings, new way to edit. Like, it's fun type of shit. Actually going out and shooting is fun. Recording, no matter what you're doing, videos, photos, it's fun. Who inspired me? I'm about to say my cousin. My cousin inspired me. Yeah, he was the first person that gave me a camera. Like when I was like, okay, I want to do something. I want to do photography, or actually not even photography, but I want to shoot videos. He was the first person that gave me a camera. You know what I'm saying? You can follow him on Instagram, Man With Many Skills. I'm gonna put it at the bottom right here so y'all can see that. But yeah, he does videos himself. He takes photos and all that. So I basically learned everything that I know from him. You know what I'm saying? And YouTube, of course, because YouTube's like the cheat sheet for everything. But yeah, man, this was just a quick video. You know what I'm saying? Just a little update. Let me give y'all a little update too on my life, basically, like what's going on, why I haven't been dropping videos every week. I got a whole studio, you know what I'm saying? I'm a businessman out here. So YouTube is not the only thing I do, I should say. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, I'm trying to be consistent and I'm trying to drop videos once a week. You know what I'm saying? So just bear with me. You know what I'm saying? If you like these videos, comment, like, share, hit that subscribe button, roll to 1K. Oh, and I got more story times coming. You know what I'm saying? My last story time, I was supposed to reenact some parts, but I didn't get to because I couldn't find enough people. And people, you know, people is busy. They got their own shit to do and shit like that. So it was just like, all right. But my next story time, I'm gonna try to reenact some parts if I can by myself. You know what I'm saying? Or if I could get a 1 or 2 people, I'm gonna try to reenact some parts. But yeah, I got a couple more story times coming, man. Crazy story times, wild story times, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been through a lot. I'm young, but I've been through a lot, you know what I'm saying? So, it's your boy, Pree, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we out.